We're almost in the middle of the year, and here you are, still jumping from one social media app to the other, trying to find ways to make money online, but all to no avail. Well, forget about every other thing you're trying to do to make money online, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the websites that offer remote jobs that you can actually apply that can pay you a good amount of money every end of the month. And one of the best things about these remote jobs is that everything you're going to be doing on these remote jobs will be at night. No phone calls, just strictly text messages and emails. Now, another good thing about these remote jobs is that you don't need any prior experience to get this job. All you need to do is to indicate your interest on these jobs, post your CV, and then you are good to go. So like I pointed out earlier in this video, these works are just remote jobs, so you can do it from the comfort of your home. So if you're a stay-at-home mom who is looking forward to do something from their leisure time, or a working class person who is looking forward to have an extra income by the side, well, this video is for you. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end, because you're going to be learning a lot from this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right to the video.
So the first website on our list is called remotejobs.oi. So this website is a mini job listing website that actually lists all the remote jobs around. Many employers come here to make a job listing in order to hunt for their employees from around the world. So you can see some of the jobs on this website. Most of these jobs listed on this website are majorly remote jobs and nothing else, which means you can actually do any of these jobs right from the comfort of your room, at night, anywhere you are, anywhere in the world. Although some of these jobs requires you to be in a certain location before you can be able to apply, but overall on this website you can easily get remote jobs that is hiring as fast as possible without stress. And if there is any specific remote jobs that you are looking for but you have not seen here, all you need to do is to head on to the see more jobs and then click on it. So once you click on the see more jobs, the next 3 steps on the line are actually the 3 more steps you need to follow for you to find a job that is a match for you. So the first thing on the line is for you to give genuine answers to the question that will be thrown at you in the next few pages. So secondly, you need to start making job applications. Once you see the jobs that are matched for you, then the next, which is the last but not the least, is kickstarting your remote job as soon as you are hired. So that's how simple it is for you to get started on this website. So moving on, you're going to be clicking on the continue tab to continue what we are doing. So this is basically the page where we're going to be choosing the kind of remote jobs that we want. Is it anyhow remote jobs, or entry-level remote jobs, or career-specific remote jobs? So whichever one that you want, this is where you're going to be indicating it. And after that, you click on next to continue. So this page is where you're going to be specifying the amount that we want to be paid. Is it yearly or hourly? So if it's yearly, you're going to be seeing it there. If it's hourly, this is the amount you're going to be paid. So after you've done specifying, you click on next again to continue. So if you have a specific kind of remote job that you have in mind, you're going to be specifying it here, and then you're choosing the category that you want it to be on. So I've choose 3 categories from here right now. So I choose chat support, administrative assistance, and accounting. So I click on next to continue. So I'm going to be inputting my email right now. I also have in mind that this is not my personal email, neither is it anybody's email. It's just an email forged for the sake of this video. So continue with what we are doing. Click on next to continue. So this is the place where you're going to be choosing the work style. So if you want a full-time work, you can choose full-time. If you want a part-time, you can choose part-time or freelance. So I'm choosing part-time and freelance as someone who has something doing. And I also expect you to choose the same as someone who wants to work only at night. So continue with what you are doing. So the next thing is to click on next and then register an account on this website, which is the most important aspect of this website, because you can't apply for any remote jobs without registering for an account on this website. So continue with the registration. It's very simple because you need an already existing email account or Gmail account for you to do the registration like I'm doing right now. So choose any of your Gmail account or create one and use it to create it. So once you click on create, then you create your account without stress. That's all you need right now for you to create an account on this website, for you to start making your application and start looking for your job. So that's it for this website. So the next website on our list is Mod Squad. So Mod Squad is a CX and AI automation company that enables individuals, organizations, and including companies to automate their workflow either through human outsourcing or AI integration. And this is their official website. So they offer remote jobs for people all around the world. And then if you're an individual or an organization looking forward to strategically automate your business workflow either through outsourcing or through AI automation, then Mod Squad got you covered on this. As someone who is given a chance to work for Mod Squad, You're going to be working in the front line as a customer service representative, replying all the emails and whatever text that was sent to you. And most importantly, you're going to be working remotely, like I mentioned earlier in this video, and you'll get a chance to pick your own project, interest, passion, and including knowledge. And then you will also be given a chance to work with your own schedule, which is also one of the important parts of this particular platform. So everything about it is okay. So moving forward is where we're going to be seeing the tab for making an application on the platform. So we're going to be clicking on the apply today tab located right here. So once we click on it, we're going to be seeing the various jobs, the various remote jobs right on the platform. So scrolling down a little bit are the various remote jobs right on this platform. So you can see all of them right there. So after that, the next thing you're going to be doing is just scroll up again and then click on join mod squad. So once you click on it, scroll up and then click on apply today and then start making your application immediately. So this is where you're going to be making your application. So first off, you're going to be inputting your email, and then after you're done inputting your email, then your password. So once you're done with your password, then you verify your password. So after you're done verifying your password, the next thing is for you to click on submit, for you to submit the application immediately. So that's how simple it is for you to create an account here. So I've already created an account right here. So right now I can actually apply for jobs, and as you can see, the list of jobs right here are mostly customer service remote jobs. So if you want to apply, you need to apply based on the language that you are fluent in. So if you're not fluent in Spanish, you don't need to start applying for Spanish customer service support. If you're not fluent at English, you don't need to start applying for English stuff. So any job application that you're making on this website should be solely based on the language that you are good at. And that's because you're going to be texting people and people are going to be texting you. So that's it. And that's all for this website. So the next website in our list is Cloud Workers. So Cloud Workers is another great website where you can actually start working remotely for you to earn money online. So what you're going to be doing on this site is very simple and clear. First off, the work you're going to be doing is mostly through the night. You're not going to be working on the daytime. So daytime you can use it for your normal work, and then nighttime when your leisure time you use it to work on Cloud Workers. So like I said, what you're going to be doing on this website is very simple and clear. So what are you going to be doing? So as someone who is an employee on Cloud Worker, you'll get the chance to work as chat moderator, where you're going to be overseeing customers' needs through chats and text messages. Now alternatively, you can also work the data input jobs, where you're going to be assigned the role to input data. So that's it. So this company has been around since 2015 and is one of the largest, most successful and thriving chat moderation companies operating worldwide. They provide chat moderators based around the world with opportunity to earn a reliable income and grow with them. So all that is required is a computer and a stable internet connection for you to get started on this website. So that's it. Now when it comes to making an application for a chat moderator role on this website, all you need to do is to click on the apply now button right in the front page of the website, and then follow the prompt for you to fill in the form that will be shown on your screen correctly. Make sure everything you're going to be filling there, all the information you're going to be filling out there should be correct. So fill your name, your surname, which is your last name, and then your email, every other information that will be shown to you there, including your date of birth and your phone number. So make sure you fill everything correctly so that whenever they are sending you email or any text message, they will send it to the right mobile phone number or the right email. So after that, you click on submit. So once you click on submit on this website, they're going to be sending you an email. So the email they will send to you will contain an account confirmation link. So use it and confirm your account. Then you wait for an approval email, which takes a little time so that you can start working immediately once you have been approved for the job. So that's it for this website. So the last but not the least website on our list is ZipRecruiter. So ZipRecruiter is another great remote job listing platform that you can actually try out, that list a lot of great jobs that you can choose from and apply. So most of their jobs are usually from companies in the US looking for people from all around the world that they will hire that will work for them remotely. Now, one of the things I love about this website is that most of the jobs listed in this website has a good pay for anybody who is going to apply for it. And it doesn't matter the country you're applying a job from, there is a job for anybody from any country all around the world. So another thing is that you can actually filter any kind of job that you want. If you want no experience, overnight job that you can actually do right from the comfort of your home, you can actually filter it and look for search for those kind of job. Any kind of job you want to do, the search bar is right there to help you filter the job that you need, and then you apply for your job without stress. So for you to create a profile on this platform, all you need to do is to head on to the front page of the website and then click on the profile icon on the front page and then click on create your profile. So follow the prompt as you click on it for you to create a profile account for yourself. So once you do that, then you are done with this website. So you can actually apply for a job once you are done creating profile on this website. So that is all you need to know about this website. So thanks for watching once again, guys. If you have any question that you want to ask me regarding any of these websites that I just mentioned in this video, you can do it and leave it in the comment section. I'm coming there to reply each and every question right on the comment section. So thanks for watching once again, guys, and see you guys in the next video.